Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play with a 3-year-old effectively. Engaging your little one through play is crucial for their development, fostering creativity, and building essential skills. We'll explore various activities that are not only fun, but also highly beneficial for their growing minds and bodies. From imaginative adventures to active games, discover simple yet powerful ways to connect and support your child's learning journey every single day. Let's dive into making playtime meaningful and memorable for both of you. Playtime offers immense benefits for your 3-year-old's growth. It significantly boosts their problem-solving skills and sparks creativity, allowing them to explore new ideas. Through various activities, they develop both fine motor skills, like grasping small objects, and gross motor skills, such as running and jumping. Engaging with others during play also fosters empathy and crucial social skills, while consistently improving their language and communication abilities. These experiences are foundational for their overall development. Let's explore some specific activities that are perfect for a 3-year-old. Try building tall towers with blocks, perhaps aiming for 10 blocks high, which helps with spatial reasoning. Encourage artistic expression using finger paints or large, easy-to-grip crayons. Simple board games like matching pairs or memory games are excellent for cognitive development. Also, singing songs with actions, such as head, shoulders, knees, and toes, promotes both language and physical coordination in a fun way. To maximize the impact of playtime, dedicate at least 30 minutes daily for focused, uninterrupted interaction. Always try to follow your child's lead during play. This keeps them engaged and fosters their independence. Ensure you provide a safe and stimulating environment with age-appropriate toys and materials. Additionally, it's beneficial to limit screen time to less than 1 hour per day, prioritizing hands-on play for optimal development. These simple strategies will make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.